Tension gripped the Lalchari area under Mbasa police station in Dalai district of Tripura after police detained 5 suspected Myanmar nationals from a local residence. Acting on a tip-off, Mbasa police brought the individuals in for questioning from the home of one Bina de Brahma, where they had allegedly been staying for the past week. According to police sources, the detainees included child and hail from Myanmar. During initial investigation, it was found that only 3 of the 5 individuals possessed valid passports, while the remaining 2 lacked any travel documents, including visas. The group reportedly told police that they had come to Tripura to meet a friend, but police found their statements to be inconsistent and suspicious. Mbasa police are currently verifying the documents and trying to trace their route of entry into India. Prakrit Damatia, second officer in charge of Mbasa police station, stated that while the investigation is in its early stages, several discrepancies have emerged in the detainees' accounts. Police are probing deeper into the case to ascertain whether there are any links to larger networks or illegal cross-border movement. Further updates are awaited as the investigation progresses.
কিছুক্ষণ আগে আধা ঘন্টা মতো হয়েছে আগে একটা ইনফরমেশন হয়েছিল যে লালচুরিতে কিছু বাইরের লোক সাসপেক্টেড তারা মায়ানমার ন্যাশনাল কেসরা আছে এখানে আসে লোকাল পাবলিক ইনফরমেশন দিয়েছিলাম আমরা তো আমরা অফিসার গিয়েছিলা ভেরিফাই করে দেখছে তারা ওই মায়ানমারে গিয়েছিলা নিজের সিকিউরিটি দিছে এখন তাদের থেকে আই কার্ড এবং পাসপোর্টগুলো ভেরিফাই করা হইব।